Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic. What would happen if the moon disappeared? Why do we need the moon? Can we live without the moon? Let's explore the potential consequences together. First, let's talk about the impact on tides. The moon's gravitational pull is responsible for the ebb and flow of tides on Earth. Without the moon, tides would be significantly reduced in magnitude. Coastal ecosystems and marine life that depend on tides for various purposes, such as feeding or reproduction, would be greatly affected. For example, intertidal organisms like barnacles and mussels rely on the regular rise and fall of tides to access food and reproduce. Without the moon's influence, their survival could be in jeopardy. Next, let's consider the changes in Earth's rotation. The moon acts as a stabilizing force on Earth's rotation, slowing it down over time. Without the moon's gravitational influence, Earth's rotation would gradually decrease in speed. This could result in longer days, although the change would be incredibly gradual, taking millions of years to become noticeable. Imagine what it would be like to experience longer daylight hours and how it might impact our daily routines. Moving on, let's explore the impact on climate. The moon plays a crucial role in stabilizing Earth's axial tilt, which determines our seasons. Without the moon's influence, Earth's axial tilt would become more variable. This could lead to potential changes in climate patterns, including extreme variations in seasons. Imagine harsher winters, scorching summers, and the impact on agriculture, weather patterns, and ecosystems worldwide. Now, let's consider the impact on life. The moon's disappearance would likely have a significant effect on various organisms that rely on lunar cycles for behavior or reproduction. For example, sea turtles use the moonlight to navigate and find suitable nesting grounds. No moonlight would disorient them and could impact their ability to reproduce successfully. Additionally, certain nocturnal animals and insects depend on the moon's light or position to regulate their activities or attract mates. Disrupting these cycles could have dire consequences for their survival. Lastly, let's talk about astronomy and the night sky. The moon's absence would dramatically change the appearance of our night sky. Currently, the moon's brightness often obscures fainter celestial objects such as stars and galaxies. Without the moon, our night sky would become significantly darker, allowing for better visibility of distant celestial objects. Imagine the breathtaking view of a clearer, darker sky filled with countless stars. While the disappearance of the moon would bring significant changes to Earth, humans would likely survive. We are a resilient species, capable of adapting to new circumstances. We have the ability to develop alternative methods for navigation, timekeeping, and adjusting to changes in climate and ecosystems. While it would present challenges, humans have a history of overcoming obstacles and thriving in diverse environments. So, yes, we believe that humans would survive and continue to explore and understand our universe, even without the moon. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of our world.